bonfire night, it's time for fun. Here's a few things that's gotta be done. Follow the instructions on each firework. Stand well back, don't be a twerp. Don't go back when a firework's lit. Keep your pets inside, don't be in it. Do not be a firework fool. A bandaged face looks real uncool. Stay safe, 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 stay safe.
He's the funniest, kookiest, hungriest hound around. Scooby-Doo, Fridays 10 to 4 on CITV. By hook, he's a crook, but we've got his measure. Pirates surround us. He's after the treasure. Swords to the left of us, swords to the right. Long John Silver, oh, we'll give him a fight. The Legends of Treasure Island, Fridays at 4:15. Apparently, Bro and Bro are at large. I would urge everyone to be very careful.
Turn that thing off!
Get your tail out of my eye!
Sorry. Budge up a bit then.
I'm on the edge already.
Well, lie on your side.
Okay, now your foot's in me back.
Oh, will you please cut your nails? And now the hot water bottle's leaking.
We haven't got a hot water bottle. That's all right, it's my flask of cuppa soup leaking.
That's not a flask, that's a teddy.
It's not a teddy, it's a pyjama case.
You don't wear pyjamas.
No, and that's why I keep my cuppa soup in it.
You didn't tell me you had any cuppa soup.
Well, you'd scoff it all, wouldn't you?